Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Beautify Your Place. Today's video is all about how to make a bookmark which we keep in the center. So for example, if we are going to keep a center bookmark, we need to do something like this. In my previous video, I have done a bookmark for a corner bookmark. I have done different kinds of bookmark. This is done by acrylic paint. This is again acrylic paint with mandala art, and this one is done with watercolors. Here I'll be sharing some of my mandala art which is done on a plain sheet. It is done long before. So today we'll be doing one more kind of bookmark. Without wasting much time, let's get started. I have taken a thick sheet. This is 150 GSM, or you can use any thick sheet. I just mark a smaller cut. I'm taking a measurement for cutting this bookmark sheet. I have cut the sheet for the bookmark. I am using some acrylic colors to make some painting over this. Here we'll be learning some basic blending of colors. Starting, I'll be using blue and white to make the sky portion, some yellow in the middle portion, and light green at the bottom. For that you need to take some flat brush, some water just to clean the brush. First dip the brush inside the water. Take out extra water from the cloth. On the top I am adding white paint. On top of this I'll be taking little blue to get the lighter shade of sky blue. I have kept this sheet on a drawing book. So if you want the color to be very lighter, you can add little white shade. I just clean my brush. All the blue color, whatever is loaded inside this bristles, I'll take it off. Then I'll be using little white just below the sky blue. I'll be adding white, and then I'll take yellow, here on the top in between these two colors it is lighter yellow, and then I just clean my brush and I'll blend this white and blue color. So always go too many strokes to get a lighter shade. Acrylic is very fast drying colors, so be fast with your bristles. Just start moving your brush. Don't make the colors to get dry. At the bottom I'll be using light green. Let it go on top of yellow to get a lighter shade of green. On the top in the sky portion I'll be doing with this sponge, or you can take a cotton. I just dip some white color, very little. I take extra excess amount of paint, very little is enough. And to make the clouds, just dab it. Go dabbing and spread it horizontally. So this way the clouds looks very beautiful. After use, just rinse the sponge with running water. So now I'll be doing some bushy portion of green at the bottom. I'll be using light green, sap green and yellow. So for this I'll be taking a 0 number brush, which is very thin bristle. I'll be adding the bushy. To get different shade of bush, first always keep your brush straight like this. From bottom pull the lines. From bottom pull the lines. So I'll be making some more bushes like this, up, down. So inside this each bush I'll be adding sap green. To get the shade I'll be adding sap green, yellow. So this way the lines looks more beautiful, the bushes looks very natural. So you can see different shades of green. So now the bottom portion is ready with green bushes and the top with clouds sky portion is ready, and at the center is left with some quotation. I have written "Make your dreams happen" with pencil. On top of that I'll be using brush pens to write over it. I just add outline with this Bristol technical pen which I use for mandala art. I'll give the highlight for this quotation. Once it is dried, you can start giving this outline. I hope you enjoyed this video. This video is all about background painting with acrylic colors and some quotation. It's very beautiful, easy to do for all age group. Thank you. I hope you all enjoyed watching this. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.